Families have been traveling and gathering for the holidays, which some doctors say could be a factor in this spike. 5 News reporter Bailey Devane has more.
That's right. This new number comes 1 week after Christmas. Some local physicians say they expect this spike to continue to increase in the next few weeks as families start to get tested. I spoke with Dr. Marty Sharkey with the Fayetteville Board of Health about the surge. She says they're seeing entire families from children to grandparents taken over by the virus, and these recent holiday gatherings could be the reason.
We're creatures of habit and tradition, and we had been away from our families for a long time. And I think for many people, the need to gather was stronger than the fear of the virus.
She says looking ahead, the community needs to be vigilant, going beyond hand washing and wearing masks.
Very concerning that the numbers are this high when our hospitalization rates are also high.
Due to this surge, Governor Asa Hutchinson announced Tuesday he will be extending the coronavirus emergency declaration, which was originally set to expire in December, by another 2 months. Right now, Fayetteville leaders say they are still working to give the first round of vaccines to frontline workers across the county.
We are hoping at this time next week to have thousands more, hopefully thousands more doses into people's arms that are haven't received their first vaccine yet.
In Johnson, covering news where you live, Bailey Devane, 5 News.
And with today's record increase in Arkansas, the state also recorded a one-day positivity rate of nearly 30%, meaning nearly 1 in 3 people tested for COVID-19 got a positive result. And 3 other days this week, we also surpassed 20%.